Hello everybody, welcome to this XLOOKUP optimization video. I'm going to jump right into it and show you how I believe most users, due to all the tutorials showing it this way, the Microsoft documentation showing it this way, as well as the way it used to work with VLOOKUP in the past, most users are using XLOOKUP in a non-optimized way. And what I'm referring to is using a single cell lookup value as opposed to using an entire range lookup value as the first argument in the XLOOKUP. So I'm going to show you this in practice by using a handy stopwatch. I want to skip using VBA to make sure no one thinks the VBA is causing an issue. So I'm going to remove the comment from that formula, and as soon as I double click to copy these cells down to the million rows, I'm going to go start that stopwatch. All right, so the stopwatch is going, and I'll speed it up here. It's still not done now. So let's move on to the second test. I'm going to delete these formulas in the first one so they don't interfere with the performance. And I'll do the same thing with this one. Now this is the binary search. The data is sorted in A to Z order. I'm going to run this stopwatch. Okay, 32 seconds that time, again close to my first sample. The third example here, which is the array as the input. It's one formula to spill the result into 1 million cells. Okay, exactly 7 seconds. Okay, and this last one, this is a sorted binary search with the array as the lookup value. So I'm going to delete this comment and hit enter and start the timer. And it's done. So less than 2 seconds for the binary search with sorted data. Hopefully this gives some perspective of options if your XLOOKUPs are slowing down your spreadsheet. I really appreciate you staying to the end, and if you can help me out, I really would appreciate it if you could like or subscribe and make some comments in the comment section. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Bye.